Thank you very much. Straight out, straight to the shuttle bus that takes you to the tram. Right. Now we need to find the shuttle bus. Bus there, maybe. Bus. Here we are. At least it stopped raining, which is what he said. Too fast. At least it stopped raining, like I said. Right, you use your card to get in. You pay. Just tap your card.
No, to do the left side. That's for that one.
Oh, that's for that one. Oh, there we are. Right. Yeah, oh, they both go to the same place. We're getting off at. Anybody on these ones? Yeah. First train. The first train at. And not the last train. Yeah. A long way. We've got barriers that come down. Go down the subway, I just run across the road. Subway is here. Of the Roman Serdica village, that's a train station that we just got off. And then here you've got the oldest church in Bulgaria. This one here. Yeah. It's all inside, you've got the ruins as well. But they found that when they were digging the train station out. Now the train station was built by Russians. Yeah. The metro system. Russian, yeah, in Moscow they look like that, and that big massive one in Bucharest. It's fine. So we still don't know where exactly we are, but what is that? That's the this is what Sofia's famous for. Yellow brick road. Yeah. The Austrian embassy. There's lots of bars and they all charge different prices. So some are really expensive, some are, you know, cheap. So military club. Is the Palace of Culture. So you know every communist state has to have a big square.
Yeah.
What they do all the marching and stuff.
Alright.
This was the big square. But it's been transformed into a
Painting.
yeah. So that is the Palace of Culture. So in there you've got an ice hockey arena, basketball. It can all be converted. That is actually like 50, 60 years old, maybe older than that.
Yeah.
Like 1970s.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that is the arena.
Yeah.
But they used to do all this aerobic dancing, you know what they win all medals in. That artistic, yeah, gymnastics and all that. That's the main place because they always win loads of medals at that Bulgaria. I don't know what this area is called, but it's just full of little places and restaurants. So that's good. I don't know what the area is called, but it's not that far from the cathedral section. It's in the old town part, and we'll go and have a look. I don't like talking like that. I know some people like shouting. I think we're in the centre of town. Well, that's it. That's our trip to Sofia finished. And we left the apartment spotless.